Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and my husband is so excited to have this earwax removal machine from Coyell. He loves that this is electric powered, and it really gets the job done with minimal effort on his part. I had to try it out too, and I have to say it felt so good, so soothing, and just wonderful to be able to clean my ears out. This is so nice because you don't have to use it in the shower, although you can, but it's really convenient to be able just to use any time that you need to. It comes with a little reservoir that you place underneath your ear so that it catches the water and any debris that might come out. This has 4 different settings, and you can see there's a light on the side that indicates which setting you're on. The middle button switches between the gears or settings, and there's normal, soft, pulse, and strong. You're definitely going to want to use warm water and thoroughly read the manufacturer's instructions before you use this. You do not want to be using cold water on your eardrum, and I would recommend giving it a little bit of a start before you put it in your ear, just in case there's any leftover water from the last time that you used it. The kit comes with 10 removable ear nozzles, and they're really easy to remove and replace. My husband and I both think this is a great machine to have. It's been really helpful, and that's our point of view.